Mama wakwaba, wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo ene Miami Chrome Central Region for ena ende omo atonkra afa internet ne so what the Emma Bra Captain Smart our journalist. Na me so makwa Central Region ni na me gidi pa se me na metumi a deliver enkra ne ye. Tiene bra Captain Smart you asume neti enkre e den sem e na Central Region for eka omo sem omo kei na ne se bra Captain Smart omo njimi enkane no e na omo ajimi a se de omo ahunyansa enti se wa akwa jisika efre oman penida da John Dramani Mahama e na NDC for wa bo modern na for musika komo because this time around the enya dia umbeto abane dia ma NDC amayoko nde anase ochina na wo Captain Smart sa na wo kwaji sika ekoji na commander sugar factory ekosa sugar ebekira Ghana for say factory no eye adwuma enya asem keto akra sa na wo boa akoshi na wo bedi kire Ghana for nti sende OTTV so edwanu ekensem a enya dia ebeto Central Region for wa adwemu and then Central Region kwa other regions ni na aka ho so man penda da John Dramani Mahama beba party and nka NPP for entuaso ebusuafo denti e na Central Region for ato enkrawe e de ema Captain Smart a host program awato ne din onua machi o e wo onua TV so e de ensem bi atodwa na Captain Smart e kire say ende ono about the journalist ejuma ni mu a or Jesus Christ enti planner NPP for are planning towards 2024 elections no onimni na and a Captain Smart the plans ni be about na them plans and a Captain Smart say NPP for ashisha 2024 mo dey eba Captain say NPP for omo fast say omo adwuma ado papa wo share that wo buy na wo dey nursing training allowance, teacher training allowance buy, and say ya over the aba. Now what the aba na se won't ya which my one day, and so no more day. I come on Juma say omo buy, omo the nursing and teachers training allowances aba, and so munchia. Captain Smart HSF free SHS are His Excellency na rank for the buy you so. And our friends watch let's say Voter Region 2024 about to never better NPP for from wadrin say what the cars ever could go as a sabotarians legu edo mo di up and down akwaba when him bra wo so na bato ya to awie na je so mo antu afen so bono sunya no side no wa kwan no enya de a wo be ye na nimani ya na emu yesi next year mu a na mo start o mo ye ene sa no bono fo be ka se wo ye nto aba no ma NPP for na nenti a Central Region for asend warning with your Captain Smart and say Captain Smart say odwani kire mo Central Region na His Excellency na nado dan kwakufu ado na Bawumia Vice President e promise won say wo besi airport e wo ho amomo enso airport e na ambaso na e wo sense memu na Central Region for say Captain Smart ye di na tena ho His Excellency na nado dan kwakufu ado esi airport o wensi airport o insemhu na OTTV so kan nzize o kan ya oden na NPP ya NDC den wo babaye na Captain Smart me so makofi Central Region ni mamenka kakra na airport na Central Region for yes le hia me shada ntiase airport ye de sano airport no local flights nkwanti no omoye ana say international nti no omoye say local flight nkwanti no omoye de a so obetu afi Cape Coast akwa bia Kumasi akwa Accra nti no omoye de a nsheda necessary because nipa hene betumi afa flight afi Cape Coast akwa Accra he ya afi Cape Coast akwa Kumasi he ya de ehia no eya akwan no from Cape Coast to Accra road no sa akwan no so kofu wo so pa moye no duwa ene ahatu aheko na aheko aheba na aheba eno na betumi ama nipa bedu fast ati owuso na moko airport wo Cape Coast enyo bia no benya sika afa flight okofa fema e bi na wakonya accident ewu kwase ewu a ne time enso because ekwan ya late ntia ne se mo dizika na mo ba airport no e Cape Coast to Accra dual road Cape Coast to Accra the dual road and when you craft as well ozigani fast one na flight airport Cape Coast airport then aba airport say she dizika mo fa ya ekwan ne man na wo sense me mu e na Central Region for no ama Captain Smart reply there be so afienti nsema Captain Smart e de to dwane beti nsema Ghana phobia and as a Central Region for a day ama
cat sword say e be ye wukuro mu kwan ne ye twa so ne ye the first coat eguso na wutirimu aye ode ye to aba ne wi a onto aso omboa minimum planning na metro 7 areas a ompese omo ye adwuma ho eti ekwan bia omo de omo nsa beka bia no e fake e yalo omo ba wukuro mu a esa wo yete sa go so ma hene shortcut bia na menko biom. Number 2 omo say ye bebiem say ye befa Ghana from mabunu ama omo adwuma ye e fake omo fa wo wi a ye be ma osika omo she da start say afa sa ankrofo no next year April ye betu aka April May June July August September October na ya sa to akatua nim sa akatua na de ma onu ye tum na November na ya increase salary na mpa na ekosoro 7th December oto aba no wie ya omo no wa wie fa no so tu tirim sa meeting we omo ye no 3 weeks ago on fi se Ghana for ye Jimmy napko bae napko agu ye ntua ka ye mfie obia national service for akatua ene ade no mu mfiu na yeso ye tim. They are political vampires. When they get you, they will suck your blood. Eti yentua. And so party communicators tibon kwaso ne kwetena radio ni TV so a yesi o aban ni tua. Aban ni tua na ban. So wo firi ho ba wo kwa fom kra na wo ba beto aba. Yesi ye ma wo nto. Ba sika na ye de be voter region no e be September. Won be che sika September, won be che October, won be che November. Na December 3rd our voter region sika o mehwe agu kro no mu no won say be ma osika na ya catch yourself trabas wem na ya fa nkwa na kwato aba wotrem a na ya de watwam kɔ the next police station na ya sound wa betwam kɔ the next police station when be ba ho so na ya to aba na wi to ya igbeni aden da jimi no so they will block you mo a mo be wura mu no so no they will give you money not to go and vote any voter region. Central Region, number 1, almost Cape Coast. I'm catch you say, obesi airport amamo. Na airport no want some of the near bebre buy. Eti airport now I'm catch Messiama Central Region through Cape Coast. Eba say we want cat tell you. Nipa no so man promise that. So Messi airport or Cape Coast. Afia ban say, now watch this. Almost say 2024 April. On shred designs of the Cape Coast Airport. Adrian Papa Omutrima, I don't know much design this is here. 2024 April. April 17th to baby. And on outdoor. Central Region. Cape Coast Airport no. Et to one say communicator be at Twitter. And I say or they are to the Facebook wall. Say Cape Coast Airport say na tie say na beko say na beye na ya fa sabere makwesiata ene na na hima na o ma kopan na fe o ma kotutu akokate sodo say ye beye airport no o be say ya kan cho say ye nya kate sodo na yes contractor ne beko site obedwidwiri ho na ye de ye be hu say ya ka cho say asase no soil no age won compact soil no so o mo ye compacting no compactation in Kwanu can take about 7 months. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, then see 7 December ukoto aba na Cape Coast Airport na ka ho. Iye Fante nyam wadwin ye adwuma na jajimi. Wabada.
Ebusafo in some way and Captain Smart ede etu dwane reply a onyan we kire say hey kwasi ampenin Captain Smart e rade buma no yedin. You think we will fool again, right? You took money from Mahama and lied to us about the Commander Sugar Factory, which was a lie. And you have taken money again to fool. Go and give back Mahama's money to him because we are not voting for him again today or tomorrow. Aboa. Hey. And when so Christiana Otu and Oche say, what at all did Mahama do for teachers and nurses that you are condemning Nana? Give us a break, Captain. Sister Kibio na Captain Smart in the when so Isaac and Oche say, Charlie, we know that you are paid for what you are doing, so keep quiet there. If you know what we will do for Ghana to progress, bring it out and stop fooling. And I went so Emmanuel and Oche say, what at all is Mahama coming to do for Ghanaians? Nanado will surely be remembered one day. Okay. Intino and some way and a Ghana fubi aka ede atre Captain Smart e wabra or the same way eto